So today, my plan is to destroy some diapers. You wanna watch? All right, let's go. Before we start, if you're new here, my name is Duffy and I'm the mom behind Cloth Diapers for Beginners, a website, Facebook group, and YouTube channel all dedicated to helping you understand this cloth thing so that you can choose and use cloth diapers your own way. Now, I don't sell cloth diapers at all. I just provide cloth diaper information so that you can save money, save the environment, and save your baby's bum from some harmful chemicals all at the same time. So if that sounds like something that you'd be into, please hit subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss anything. So what am I destroying? Well, when we talk about cloth diaper safe creams, you'll always hear me say, don't use Vaseline, petroleum products, which is Vaseline. Don't use those on baby or cloth diapers because they'll cause buildup, they'll cause repelling issues, etc. And that's kind of universal internet advice. You'll hear it on all of the Facebook cloth diaper community groups. You'll hear it on the forums. You'll hear it on other cloth diaper websites. That's just kind of a universal, well-known fact. You don't use Vaseline for cloth diapers. You'll also hear me talk about zinc oxide. I always say don't use zinc oxide. Now, back when I began cloth diapering back in 2015, that was also kind of universal advice. Everyone said don't use zinc, it causes repelling issues, don't use it. Fast forward a couple of years and people were like, you know what, if you need to use it sometimes, go ahead. All you have to do is take a toothbrush and some dish soap and scrub it to death and you'll be fine. Okay, fast forward a few more years and today people are saying, oh, it just stains, you're fine, don't worry about it. It'll stain your diapers for sure, but don't worry about it. Okay, well, I still recommend not using zinc oxide cream, but maybe that's because I started cloth diapering back in 2015 when it was kind of the advice, and I don't know everything. I'm not going to assume that just because I was told something when I first started cloth diapering that it's the correct thing. So I want to put it to the test. I want to make sure that the recommendation I'm giving is the real advice and it's what is the real consequence of using zinc oxide on your cloth diapers. So we are going to test it out. So for this experiment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some cotton newborn pre-fold diapers. Sorry, I'm not going to ruin the nice pretty ones. Now these are great diapers, so I'm still ruining some pretty good diapers. But I'm going to take them and I'm going to put 4 different creams on 4 different pre-folds. We are going to use plain old baby Vaseline. I'm assuming that if people go and they buy Vaseline for baby diapers, they're probably going to buy this one because it's the one marketed for babies. I bought it when I first started, when my daughter was first born in the hospital. We used disposable diapers and they gave me Vaseline, so I went out and I actually bought this particular one and used it when she was brand new. I was a first-time mom. That's what they gave me in the hospital. I was so nervous those first few weeks that that's what I used. I'm looking at this one now and I see that it is expired. It expired in 2018. I'm sure it's still fine. We'll use it to begin with. There's not much left, so partway through the experiment I will get a new one of those as well. I am also using Penitin. This just happens to be what I had on hand. My husband actually uses this. It is 18% zinc oxide and a bunch of other non-medicinal ingredients. I'm not going to try and pronounce all of that. It does include talc, which is interesting. So we're going to try that for the zinc oxide cream. And then I'm also going to do some cloth diaper safe creams just as a kind of a control group, just to make sure, it's not that putting any product on your cloth diaper is going to cause repelling. So what I have chosen is Live Clean Baby Non-Petroleum Jelly. I use this one a lot on my daughter. I find it fantastic. It's nice and thick and goopy, just like real Vaseline, which is what I kind of liked about it. Again, when I first started putting diapers on her from day one, in the disposables I used Vaseline, so it's what I was kind of used to. So I really enjoyed the Live Clean Non-Petroleum Jelly, and it worked very, very well, especially when I layered it underneath cornstarch. It was perfect for that. So that's what we're going to test. That's the first cloth friendly one. The next cloth friendly one I'm going to test is one that I've actually never used before. This is Baby Bum Baby Balm, sorry, by Abundance Naturally Baby, and that's a Canadian company. I have not used any of their products before. I actually just got this one from a mom in the community who Cloth Diapers. She's actually testing some diapers for me now, so that's kind of neat. That's how I met her, is she gave me this. She was cloth diapering her baby and she was using this, and she didn't really like the smell. It does have a quite powerful smell to it. I don't mind it, but she really didn't like it. So she gave it to me and I'm gonna test it out in this experiment. Why not? This seems like a good place to try it out. Each product is going to get its own cloth diaper, and I'm going to lay quite a thick coat onto each one of each product, and I'm going to write down what each one is. I'm also going to have one that I put nothing on just as a control that's going to be washed with all of them together. I'm going to layer product on, wash it, layer product on, wash it, layer product on for, let's say, 3 months, and I'm gonna commit to washing it twice a week. So 3 times 4 is 12, so 24 washes approximately. I'll count how many washes. We're going to have a look at the absorbency that they have today, and then after the experiment we're going to take a look at the absorbency they have then, and we're going to compare the two. So by the end of the 3 months we should know exactly how the product affected the absorbency of the diaper. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I think this is a test that should have been done a long time ago. I'm so excited in particular to see what zinc does to the absorbency of this diaper, because this is going to either prove me wrong and I have to change all of the stuff on my website, or it will prove me right and I will be able to point people to this test when they're like, oh, I heard something else elsewhere. So I'm pretty excited to see what comes out of that. I should also let you know that how I'm going to wash them. If you've been around the channel and you know me a little bit, you know that I don't have one in diapers right now, but my daughter is in bedwetting pants. I don't foresee her being out of bedwetting pants in the next 3 months. Her body's not waking her up yet, so I'm assuming that for the next 3 month stretch I'm going to be washing bedwetting pants every day, just the way it is. Because she is a bedwetting preschooler and I don't limit her liquids at night, there is quite a lot of urine to work with. So between her bedwetting pants and bulking up with some of her really dirty laundry, I do think I am getting kind of an accurate wash with them. So there's that, and I'm going to use my same cloth diaper wash that I've been using for her diapers and then bedwetting pants since the beginning. I have soft water, so I do a rinse and spin, and then I do a heavy duty cycle on hot, which also, because of my machine options, I do a pre-soak as part of that, so it soaks in the bin before doing that heavy wash. And I have soft water, and my detergent is always kind of finicky, so I do a secondary rinse as well. So that's my wash routine. Twice a week I'm going to be doing that with these diapers with the creams on them, and hopefully by the end we should have a very exciting result. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to try and maneuver the camera in so that we can take a really close look at the absorbency of these diapers now, and that will kind of give us our before picture. And then we're going to cut this video off. This will be part 1, and then part 2 will be 3 months in the future when we take a look at how they are doing after all the washing. Okay guys, so here we are. I've been struggling to kind of zoom in and show you. So this is before I've put any lotion or anything on the diapers. So here's the clean diaper, and I have just a squeeze bottle of plain old water. Let's see the absorbency of the clean before the test. So right in there. And the baby balm diaper that we're going to use, right in there, no problem. Leave clean. These should all be the same. They're all the same batch of diapers. You can see there's no absorbency. I think my tablecloth might be different, so you can see what beading looks like. You can see what absorbency looks like. All right, so there we go. So I've kind of soaked the upper half, so we'll test the bottom half, I guess. And I'm just gonna open them up. Take a nice healthy scoop, doing this one-handed. All right, here we go. Oh, This hurts my soul a little, but here we go. I've already markered on them, right? All right, Vaseline. We'll get kind of the bottom half of the diaper just completely coated. If you ever put this much on your baby, my goodness, your baby would slip and slide out of their diaper. Okay, let's do the Penitin. This is quite thick, so to really scoop it out of here. My husband's gonna freak out when he sees what I did to his Penitin container, but it's all right. Get a nice healthy coat on that bottom half of the diaper. Again, I'm gonna aim for the same amount going forward. Oh, this is so thick. You know what, I'm gonna use my hands for this one because it's just pulling. There we go, get it right in there. This is so messy. I have to wash my hands after this one. Oh my God, guys. Okay, let me do this with 2 hands, 1 second. All right, so we have a nice thick coat of Vaseline on that. A nice thick coat of the Penitin on this one. A nice thick coat of the Live Clean on this one. A nice thick coat of Baby Balm on this one. And a nice clean one for control. And that's it for now. I will join you again in 3 months after I've had a chance to lotion these and wash them and lotion them and wash them again twice a week for 3 months. Should work out to about 24 washes. After each wash, I will put a little mark, both so that I can remember how many times they've been washed and so we have a final count. But other than that, I guess I will join you again in 3 months to see the results. I'm so excited to see the results. I think this is going to be super interesting and this is going to be so helpful. I hope for you guys, but also for me going forward so that I know I'm making the right recommendations. It's kind of important to me that I'm not just spewing out stuff that I heard back in the day when I first started cloth diapering. So I want to put all this stuff to the test and make sure that what I'm saying has evidence behind it. All right, enough talking. If you are wanting to make sure that you don't miss the update in 3 months, please click subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. You'll get notifications after every time I publish a video so you won't miss the results. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.